Hiking. It improves your mental and physical health. This trail is known as Stairway to Heaven. And yes, truly we will feel heavenly when we touch the destination. This was an old shepherd's route which links to Oman Mountain Village. The locals have created the walkways beautifully and very thankful to them. This is a well-marked trail which covers a distance of 13 km with elevation of 1,400 meters. There you can see balcony walks which was built recently for safety. The terrain is little rocky and loose. The first half of the climb is hidden in shade and later will be exposed to sunlight. And so this is not recommended during summer for beginners. We can see beautiful mountain flowers in white colors. There are grass farming on different areas which looks like steppe farming. You will experience breathtaking views of the sea. Finally we have reached our destination. It took us 3 hours and 35 minutes to reach the top. We are moving towards the beautiful and isolated farmhouse. This is Mr. Sajjad, who take care of the farmhouse alone. He get down the mountain once a week and do the grocery purchase. During the winter, at night the temperature goes down to -degree. Sajjad has invited us for lunch. He has cooked paleo for us which was very tasty. After lunch we left the place thanking him for his hospitality.